Good morning and welcome to the How to 360 kitchen. Today we're making light, tender, berrylicious breakfast crepes. The perfect way to start your day with a burst of fresh berries and sweet vanilla. Here's what you'll need for 6 to 8 crepes. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 1/4 cups whole milk, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, plus extra for the pan, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 cup fresh blueberries, 1 cup fresh raspberries, and 1 cup fresh sliced strawberries. Optional toppings include powdered sugar, whipped cream, and maple syrup. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt until evenly blended. Crack in 2 eggs, then slowly pour in 1 1/4 cups milk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Beat the mixture until there are no lumps and the batter is silky, about 30 seconds. Let your crepe batter sit at room temperature for 5 minutes. This helps the flour fully hydrate and gives you ultra-tender crepes. Heat a non-stick 8-inch skillet over medium heat. Brush lightly with melted butter or cooking spray. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the center of the pan. Immediately tilt and rotate the skillet to spread the batter into a thin, even circle. Let the crepe cook undisturbed for 1 to 1.5 minutes until the edges lift and the bottom is golden brown. Use a thin spatula to slide under the crepe's edge and flip. Cook the second side for 30 seconds. Transfer to a plate and stack under a clean kitchen towel. Repeat with remaining batter, brushing the pan with butter between crepes. In a small bowl, gently toss 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup raspberries, and 1 cup sliced strawberries with a teaspoon of sugar if you like, to macerate, about 2 minutes. Lay a crepe flat and spoonberries down the center. Fold into quarters or roll tightly, your choice. Dust with powdered sugar, dollop whipped cream, or drizzle maple syrup as desired. And there you have it. Berrylicious breakfast crepes that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Tender, versatile, and bursting with fresh berry flavor. All ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description below. Give them a try this weekend and don't forget to subscribe for more breakfast inspiration. Enjoy!